Hi, Norlin. It's Michelle, and I'm going to give you some feedback on your assessment. In general, I thought your responses were clear to the other students, and your responses to the questions are also detailed and clear. You answered the questions and included all the necessary information. So let's just look at question number one. In general, I think that there are no mistakes. So that was really well expressed, and I understood um, that your point of view that she fulfilled her goal. In question number two, the only mistake I see here is the movie convinced me that these issues are important because the great concern here is the lives of human beings with an S, animals, know the environment, and then you need a connector and the future of the next generation. And then, so here, this is something that we hear all the time about the news of global warming. So we're going to use the present simple because it's habitual, it's something we always do or always hear. So we hear in, so preposition from, we hear in the news about global warming. We think about it, comma, what this world, so let's put the subject for first, what this world would be like when it's polluted. So here it's just a structure. You have to reverse the structure. Another theme that is important, a preposition again, in this movie is the importance of unity to fight for our rights, comma, to defend our territory from anyone or anything that could harm us. If we think that we are right, we need to speak up. Very good point. I agree with you about that. The need to defend our territory and the place that we live in. If I could take a kayak trip, I'd like to go around in 100. I'd like to go around, so no preposition there. I'd like to go around the 100 islands with an S, plural, in my home country. The Philippines, together with my whole family, my parents, my sisters, and my brother, to see the beauty of nature. I like that. Great. And I hope that you get to do this journey. So that's the corrections for like the structure and the content. And then you can read the assessment comments as well that you will put into your binder. Okay, thank you so much.